Alright, so this is up under the bottom of that 64 Riviera, guys. It's the showstopper too, I'm telling you. So everything up under here, maybe one day I'll be able to get up under here and just show you. This car was taken off the frame. Like I said, he done moved the car a couple of times, so it's got a little dirt up under here. But this car was took off the frame, and everything. The rear end been gone through, engine been rebuilt. A lot of the parts up under the bottom here is painted the same color the car, guys. 64 Riviera. It's coming along pretty good. I'm getting close with it here, guys. All new brake lines, just everything, man. It's gonna be a really, really nice 64 Riv. All right.